Hello, and welcome to the winter weather briefing provided by the National Weather Service in Goodland. This briefing is going to discuss potential for snow across the area on the evening of March 4th through the morning of March 5th, which is Tuesday night and Wednesday. The image on your screen is the expected snow forecast for the area. In general, we're expecting most of the area to see around an inch, possibly up to 3 inches in a few isolated locations. I think the best chance for heaviest snow is going to be in this area here that I'm highlighting between Wheeler and Flagler. There is some potential for a fairly significant snow band to develop there, so you get maybe locally higher amounts around 2 inches in that area. The snowfall is expected to be brief, though. It's going to come down fairly hard, but it's not going to last very long, and it's going to be most widespread late tonight into tomorrow morning. For the most part, we're expecting the precipitation to be mainly snow, but there is a chance for, as the precipitation starts, for a mixture of rain, snow, sleet, and maybe a little freezing drizzle. That should rapidly change over to snow. But then at the end of the precipitation, there might be a period of freezing drizzle in the morning. While there are some chances for freezing drizzle, we're not expecting any significant impacts across the area. It's all going to be pretty minor, more of a nuisance than anything else. Like I said before, most of the precipitation will fall as snow, and there's little to no ice accumulation expected. I'm going to step through kind of a timeline of how we're visualizing the weather to behave tonight. Initially, around 6 p.m. or between 6 and 9 p.m., any precipitation that falls will be light rain. And if it were to fall anywhere, it'd be mainly in this northwest portion of the tri-state area, maybe Yuma County, extreme western Kit Carson and Cheyenne counties. As it transitions, you'll see here this image, which is the blues are snow, the light blues are snow, and then it transitions to kind of a rain-snow mix as you move east. If we jump ahead to between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m., we see the mix quickly becomes all snow by 3 a.m. And in this image here, the dark blue is the best chance of snow. The lighter blue is still snow. Then as you get further south from that, there's still a chance for snow and sleet, but generally a gradual transition to all snow once the precipitation begins. With the most likely area for snow really around 3 a.m. is when we expect it to be most widespread. And then for the morning hours, basically after 6 a.m., the snow is going to gradually taper off to maybe have a brief period of freezing drizzle before it ends completely. And that area really is going to be south of Interstate 70. We're expecting that. Further north of that, everything should end probably after sunset, maybe an hour or so of snow or freezing drizzle in the morning. And then really by noon, the precipitation should clear out of the entire area. To further focus on the timing and possible impacts across the area, tonight we're expecting the light rain and wintry mix to begin across northeast Colorado and gradually move to the southeast throughout the night. In the evening, we're really only expecting wet roads, if anything. There's not much of a threat of any kind of significant impact in the evening hours. After midnight, there will be a period of light to moderate snow, especially across portions of eastern Colorado and in the adjacent areas. Just given the possible for heavy snowfall rates for a brief period, the roads could become snow-covered and visibility could be reduced to about a mile or so. That should be fairly short-lived, but it will cause an impact if you happen to be traveling at this time. And on Wednesday morning, the snow will be ending. There will be a period of freezing drizzle mixed in there right at the end. I think that's all that's going to result in is some snow-covered roads and maybe a few slick spots in untreated areas. As a reminder, this is a general overview for the entire region, and conditions will vary for your particular area. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please contact us on our social media sites such as Facebook or Twitter, or check our website for the latest conditions. Thanks again for watching.